Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Swagbucks using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Swagbucks account, first open up your Swagbucks application from your app drawer. Doing so will take you to the sign up page for Swagbucks. If you don't have an account, enter a valid email address followed by a password in the text box and tap on sign up after agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy. If you already have an account, tap on the login button on the bottom of the screen. Now, type in your email or your swag name in the first text box. Make sure to enter the same email or name associated with your Swagbucks account. On the next field, type in your correct password. Finally, tap the login button to access your account. If you don't remember your password during the process, you can reset to a new one by tapping on the Forgot Password button right next to login. Soon after you tap on login, you'll be able to log into your Swagbucks account with this Swagbucks application. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.